lives a meager existence. And the worst of the winter is still to come. By midwinter, temperatures drop to -50 degrees Celsius, and deep snow makes scavenging nearly impossible. But a faint sound beneath the snow may be this fox's salvation. Lemmings. It's time to become a hunter. But catching what you can't see is not easy. It's hard to judge the leap. And the depth of the snow. Too deep. And you get stuck. Too shallow. And it can be rather painful. It's going to take time, but mastering lemming hunting is vital if a young fox is to make it through the winter. At last, this fox is on his way. But if he is to survive until spring, he'll need to make a catch like this every couple of days.